Here is your HRV system. So we've talked a little bit about upstairs, how to set it, how to adjust it. Now the HRV is designed to make the air in the house healthy. It's good to improve air quality and to exchange the air. It can remove humidity. It does a lot of work. There is some maintenance to do. Nothing needs to be replaced, nothing needs to be purchased, but there is some cleaning to do regularly, and that helps this unit to both function at its most efficient and last longer. So the first thing is, on the top there are latches. So as you open the latch, you'll notice the fans will shut off. That's a safety device. There is a power shut off on the top, so when the doors open, no power to the unit. So you don't have to worry about finding the right breaker or anything. It will already do that for you. Inside of here, you'll see that you've got a couple of filter elements and then a center core. So how this functions is air from the bathrooms upstairs comes through from this pipe here, through this filter media, through the core of the HRV, and then this gets taken and pushed outside. So that's the exhaust air. At the same time, fresh air is brought in from outside here, comes through this filter, through the core, and then up and then into the furnace so that it can be distributed throughout the house. The air that's going out is typically warm. So it will warm up this aluminum core, and then the air that comes in from the outside is typically cold. So that will absorb or recover that heat that was left by the air going out. That's why it's called a heat recovery ventilation unit. It's designed to recover some of that energy that you paid to heat, putting it back into the house. For this to happen, however, the unit needs to be clean. So we recommend every month or two, you want to take these filter elements out and vacuum them. It says you can wash them, and you can. Just gotta be careful you don't scrunch them up. You want to make sure they stay the shape that they are, but vacuum these every month or two. So the right side here, this is the air that's inside the house, so it'll have a little bit of dust and dirt on it. The air that comes from outside in, it can be much, much dirtier. I've seen a half an inch of dead bugs on these before. So you want to make sure that you clean this regularly. This is where the air from outside gets filtered. All the construction dust and dirt stops here, provided you keep it well maintained. Now, twice a year, we recommend that you clean the core of the unit. And how you do that is you can just pull on it here and the whole core will come out. Now this can be washed. So take it upstairs, put it in the sink, out on the deck with the hose. Just run some water through everything. Don't need soap, doesn't need to be hot or cold. It doesn't make a difference that way. You just want to rinse any dust and dirt that might be inside of it out, any bugs or whatever that might have gotten through. So it doesn't have to be dry. You can kind of give it a bit of a shake, come back and put it back in. Now when you're putting it back in, the sticker is on the front and the arrow needs to point up, and then you'll be able to install it correctly. So that would be putting it in and then inserting it, reinstalling your filter elements, and that's it. So we recommend that you clean the core of the HRV at least twice a year. The HRV does most of its work over the winter time, so fall and spring. Or as an easy reminder, you can put it in your phone for Labor Day weekend, Victoria Day weekend, to do a clean on it, and then it will operate for many years to come. Because this is the fan that pulls the air from the second floor bathrooms, if this isn't clean, you'll find a reduced amount of air gets pulled out of those bathrooms, and you'll have a little bit more steam on the mirrors, those sorts of things. So keeping this clean will make a big difference in how those bathrooms upstairs operate. Now, when you're finished, you can just close the door, and then again, you have these two latches on the top. Just close those off, and you're done.